The BJP and TMC have accused each other for the deaths of 5 people in Cooch Behar district during the 4th phase of assembly polls on Saturday. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee spoke about the violence on Sunday and said that it was a clear case of genocide.
I said genocide because I know Nondigram genocide happened. This is also genocide. When you fired, the upper side, and without giving any alert, any alarming, any red alert or anything, or you didn't try if there is anything. Nothing is there. It was peaceful, just booth, and they are the poor people. And one is a pregnant lady, her husband died. Now 3 years old baby, her father died. They have not seen their father also. And now they have fired like this, just like a fire spray they used. Why the upper side is been affected like this?
Mamata Banerjee also said that CISF, who were not trained to control the mob, were deployed for the polling duty.
এবং CISF তাদের কাজ কি? তারা জানে না how to control the mob. The problem is CISF has no role to play about the controlling mob because they are specially sensitized for the industrial area. But instead of industrial area, they have been deployed because of this control the public, and they are not trained for that. They are not trained for that. Very unfortunate thing.
The West Bengal Chief Minister also alleged that the BJP was trying to suppress the truth by not letting her to meet the family members of the deceased.
They want to suppress the fact. That's why they said 72 hours you cannot go. Okay, where the election is not there, there I can go. Where the election is already over, why can't I go? What is this system? You will kill the people, and after that I cannot meet the people.
Mamata Banerjee slammed the BJP, saying it can't do anything and everything they want by destroying the democracy.
Changing all the systems cannot be changed. The institution will continue forever, and the system is to be maintained as per our election rules and all. Yes, they can do anything and everything, but there must be something very essential, that what is called democracy, what is called free and fair election, what is the impartial election, everybody wants that.
Mamata also said that the Prime Minister and Home Minister are incompetent.
Incompetent government and incompetent Prime Minister and incompetent this Home Minister. Every day they are coming to Bengal to capture. Like, okay, you come, welcome. You appeal the people who told you not to do it.
Union Home Minister Amit Shah also addressed several road shows in West Bengal. Speaking about the Saturday's violence, Amit Shah said that people were killed because of a provocative speech given by Mamata Banerjee.
और उसी शीतलकुची सीट पर ममता दीदी ने कुछ ही दिन पहले भाषण किया था कि CIFS CAPF वाले आए तो उनको घेर लो, उन पर हमला करो। मैं पूछना चाहता हूं ममता दीदी को, एक शार्प सवाल पूछना चाहता हूं कि क्या आपका वो भाषण वो 4 लोगों के मृत्यु के लिए जिम्मेदार नहीं है क्या? अगर आप वो भाषण न करती तो ये 4 युवा CRPF पर हमला करने का हिम्मत करते क्या? आपने उनको उकसाकर एक गोलीबारी का कारण दिया है।
Shah also claimed that apart from the Cooch Behar incident, elections in West Bengal were peaceful, which is a sign of a new beginning.
और साथ में मैं बंगाल की जनता को विनती भी करना चाहता हूं, ये एक घटना छोड़कर बाय एंड लार्ज बंगाल का चुनाव शांतिपूर्ण ढंग से हुआ है। हालांकि कुछ भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता चुनाव के दौरान भी 5 से ज्यादा कार्यकर्ता मार दिए गए हैं, इसके लिए भी ममता दीदी कुछ नहीं बोली। परंतु बंगाल का चुनाव शांतिपूर्ण हो रहा है, वो बंगाल में एक नई शुरुआत है।
Shah also accused Mamata Banerjee of doing vote bank politics over the deceased.
उसी बूथ पर सुबह आनंद बर्मन का हत्या कर दिया गया, गुंडों द्वारा हत्या कर दिया, और वो इसलिए हत्या कर दिया गया कि वहां पर मतदान न हो पाए। उसी बूथ पर हमला किया गया और उसी बूथ पर CIFS के हथियार लूटने का प्रयास किया, मगर ममता दीदी सिर्फ 4 लोगों को श्रद्धांजलि देती है। मृत्यु में भी तुष्टीकरण और वोट की राजनीति, बंगाल की राजनीति को ममता दीदी ने कितना नीचे गिराया है, ये इसका एक उदाहरण है।
The Election Commission has released a statement saying security forces opened fire to save people's lives. The Election Commission has asked the Ministry of Home Affairs to deploy additional security personnel for the remaining phases of polls in the state. 4 more phases are remaining for the 159 seats in the state. Results of all 294 assembly constituencies will be announced on the 2nd of May.